Okay, so I was talking about smart packaging. In the smart packaging, this is what it's a GPS enabled system which can send signal through GSM available around the package to your mobile directly, and you can track it out. So this is one area where IoT is used extensively to make sure that you are tracking your life-saving drugs or any other stuff real time. This is another interesting implementation. I'll go a little quick because I think we have another 15 minutes left. So this is basically.
Sir, I think after this slide, we can you can take the doubts, question answers from the participants.
Yes, that's what I was thinking because
yes,
another 10 minutes is there. Okay, so this is another implementation where we have implemented a real-time IoT-based TDS monitoring of water. So impurity in water impurity can be monitored directly using this IoT-based device. So with this, I think I am almost done. Let me skip this. So let's take the question answer, then I'll put the summary.
So I request the participants kindly ask your queries.
Sir, respected sir, I'd like to ask one question here. Sir, currently, traditionally nowadays, this blockchain technology have gone for the logistic applications. Can this IoT technology, which are used nowadays, can overcome this traditional blockchain technology for logistic applications in near and future?
See, logistics, if you see, supply chain is evolving in a big way, and by 2025, there will be a big demand of supply chain, and definitely the concept still the motor stores and all the concepts are still there. Only blockchain, what it is doing is basically removing the trust issue with a typical old methodology into using this new technology. But the concept of the supply chain, from vendor to that will still remain same. Only the trust issue, like if you remember, like earlier days for an international business, we used to do a LC, opening an LC, right? Line of credit.
Okay.
Through a bank. Now with blockchain, you don't need that. Like Nestle has implemented this. There are many people has implemented this where what they are doing, they are using blockchain to build that trust so that there's no intermediary, no banking or financial system which is guaranteeing you. You know the person whom you are giving, and the person knows whom they are buying. So there is no need of intermediary.
Yes, sir.
So concept will still remain, but the technology will help you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, any other query from the participant side? Sir, there is one question in the chat box. Could you explain neural network ideas implementation IoT?
See, the whole presentation today is basically neural network. So the deep learning, artificial intelligence, all are based on neural network. And the CCTV based application that KYC I've said, it is again based on IoT. So neural network is nothing but IoT implementation, and neural network is basically implementation of artificial intelligence will need neural network. So if you remember the slide that I showed you, I'll just quickly go to that. So this is a neural network, this. So human neural network is this, computer neural network is this. So whatever we do in artificial intelligence involves a neural network, but it's a man-made neurons. This is God-made neurons. This is the difference. These are human neurons. This is biological. This is a physical. In computer, we do through software program.
So there is one more question.
Yes.
Could you please explain DDoS?
Yes, this is basically a type of attack that causes problem in if you see distributed denial of service attack, which means suppose you have a system which is hacked by your hacker, which is impersonating as you. This is the important part of it. This attempt to disrupt the regular IoT operations, and it can use your IoT's energy, like in case of wireless sensor network. The energy of the sensor is very important because they are generally on battery powered or time limit is there. So if there is a DDoS, what will happen? Your network's lifetime will get impacted. So this is the important aspect. So if some hacker is impersonating as you and enter to your system and do this attack, they can unnecessarily wastage your energy, even cause havoc to your system.
Sir, there are compliments for you. Excellent lecture, sir. Wonderful session. Well intellectual session. This and
thank you. I appreciate. Thank you.
A very informative talk. So these are the appreciations for you, sir. Sir, I'm happy to share that my research area is also image processing, and
Very good.
slides you are shown initially, neural networks and the face recognition. I was working on that, and one of my research scholar is working on age progression using deep learning. She's working on deep learning. So our area is also matching. So happy to interact with you. So in future, if I'm having any queries, any doubts related to my research, so one more resource person is with me.
Yeah, definitely. You can count on me. I will appreciate, and whatever possible, I will definitely support.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other queries from the participant side? Sir, it was a very informative session, and you taught us the basics to the higher level. And I hope our participants will get the knowledge and experience from your presentation, and it will help them in their future, and they will do more research in these areas. And this is the most upcoming and a hot topic these days. So with these words, thank you so much. Now, sir, I request you to kindly stop sharing your screen so that we can have group photograph with you.
Okay. Okay.
So I request the participants, please switch on their cameras. Yes, thank you so much. Wait for a minute. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Excellent presentation, sir. Very
Thank
informative.
you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
madam.
bye.
Welcome, sir. So participants can leave. Attendance.
Madam, one request, madam. If you are sharing the PPT of last 2 days session so that we prepare for the quiz, madam, that is on Friday, please.
Sir, actually the PPTs will be shared at the after completion of the FDP. As per
That is fine, madam. If the questions are coming from the session, no, we have to prepare. No, that is what we are asking.
Don't worry, sir. I will keep it basic.
Okay,
Don't
thank you.
worry about the
Thank you so
question.
much. Thank you.
We will discuss this thing in the chat box, sir, in
Okay.
the WhatsApp
Thank
group.
Okay,
So
thank
need
you.
not to worry about these things. Whenever I get the PPTs, I will definitely share with you.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's my duty, sir, to share the content with you.
Sure, madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Sandip, sir, for sparing the time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, kindly share your number with me as well. So it will be convenient for me to discuss the things with you on WhatsApp.
Yes. I'll share it.
Sir,
I have given the mail ID.
sir, yes, your mail ID is with me.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can write.
Actually, sir, we are thinking of the conference as I have discussed with you earlier. Sir, there is a bit
Yeah.
change in the date. So I
Okay.
will confirm with you on the
Okay.
mail, and then after that we will finalize the thing.
Okay. Thank you. Sure.
Okay, thank you, sir. So you may leave now,
Thank you.
please. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Participants can leave. Yes, I will share the link with you once again because I think due to net problem, some of the participants not able to fill that. I'm sharing the link once again. Please fill the attendance.